Hello, and thank you for shopping with Easy Breathe, the online CPAP supply store. In this video, we'll demonstrate the proper way to assemble the AirFit P10 Nasal Pillow Mask and the headgear that goes along with it. Slide the plastic wing into the opening of the headgear, then slide the headgear all the way down. Then, pull the fabric around the end of the wing. Do this on both sides. In order to remove the headgear, pull the end of the headgear away from the wing and simply slide it off.